Hi guys! We are your Clingy Dog fam and we are here to share our third camping experience. Nag-beach camping ulit kami together of course with our girl dogs Clover and Moma. We went to a place that we never thought will exceed our expectations. At dito yan sa Manuel Uy Beach Resort located in Calatagan, Batangas. This place is absolutely a wondrous place. This is also exclusively made only for camping, meaning to say walang mga hotel accommodations dito. It was just us, our tent, our camping chairs and gears, and of course, Clover and Moma. Sobrang ganda ng mga memories na nabuo namin dito at na-enjoy namin ang beach, ang tunog ng nature, ang cream-colored sand at definitely babalik ulit kami dito. Till our next camping. Bye!